By the time the integrity and nobility of the Prophet Muhammad was very well established in the society, that people call him by the title Sadiq, that means truthful, and Amin, that means trustworthy, instead of his real name. The Prophet Muhammad was 35 when the Quraysh took up the work of the renovation of Kaba, the walls of which had suffered damage due to the flood. Although it was a joint project shared by all tribes, the placing of Hajar Aswad, the black stone, in the wall became a point of dispute. Each tribe alone wanted to have the honor to put it in its place. The dispute grew into a big quarrel and altercation, leading to the fear of war between them. The dispute remained unresolved for 4 days. On the 5th day, Abu Umayyah ibn Mughira, who was the most honorable leader of the Quraysh, suggested that the person who will enter Al-Haram fast the next morning should be taken as judge. I mean, an independent person to settle the dispute on that issue. All of them accepted this proposal. As was the divine will, the Prophet Muhammad was the first person to enter Al-Haram the next day. When the people saw him, they all became happy and acclaimed, "The trustworthy is here. We are all ready to accept his decision." The Prophet Muhammad resolved the issue with intelligence and understanding in such a way that all were pleased. He spread a sheet of cloth and put the black stone on it by himself. Then he asked the chief of all tribes to hold the sheet and bring it close to the place where the stone was to be fixed. Then he picked up the stone by himself and placed it in the wall of the Kaba. Thus he saved the situation and prevented a bloody war. Otherwise, the Arab used to pick up a fight on the much prettier incident which lasted very long, sometimes for decades.